Hey Glam Fam, I'm Ann McFerrin, founder of Glamnetic, and I'm here to show you 2 methods on how to easily and safely remove your press-on nails without any damage to your natural nails. Up first is our press-on nail remover. It's a must-have for removing press-on nails. I made sure this formula was as gentle as can be. It's odorless and acetone-free, so you don't have to worry about damaging your natural nails or inhaling toxic chemicals. Using the cuticle stick from our press-on nail kit, gently lift the edges of each press-on nail to create a gap between your natural nail and the press-on nails. Add 1 to 2 drops of our press-on nail remover into the gap. Now wait 5 to 7 minutes for the remover to work its magic and dissolve the glue. Now grab your cuticle stick again and gently lift the loosened press-on nails. And if there's resistance, add another drop of remover between your press-ons and your natural nails until they can easily be removed. Remember, never use force. We want this to be pain-free and harm-free to your natural nails. See, that was so easy and damage-free. Now don't forget to give your nails some extra TLC with our 2-in-1 cuticle oil. If you haven't gotten your hands on our press-on nail remover yet, here's an alternative way to remove your press-ons by soaking your nails. On nail kit and gently lift the edges of each press-on nail to make room for the liquids to get between the press-on nail and your natural nail. Now grab a bowl deep enough to fit all of your fingers in and fill it with hot water. Next, combine an even amount of olive oil or oil of your choice and dish soap. Soak your fingers in the bowl for about 10 minutes to allow the glue to loosen up. Next, take the same cuticle stick to gently lift the press-on nails. They should come off easily, but if there's any resistance, re-soak your nails for a few minutes. Repeat this process until all of your press-on nails have been safely removed. Buff off any excess glue from your natural nails with our nail file and reveal healthy, natural nails. Voila!